Hi everybody. I am so excited. I have an announcement. I'm literally like so excited. This is going to bring a lot of crafting and creating project inspirations, but we bought a travel trailer and I am so freaking excited. Today is Saturday and we go and pick it up on Tuesday. And I am just like inspired. I can't wait to make some, like I'm already thinking of things I want to make. I want to make a sign that like says our camper established 2021 to hang up for decor. I want to maybe sew some custom throw pillows, maybe put some iron-ons on there. I'm so excited. If you guys have camper experiences or camping experience, or you have travel trailers of your own and you've done some decor and decorating with your die cutting machines, please give me some inspiration, give me some suggestions. I would love to hear it. I am just like over the moon excited about this whole experience to come and all the crafting and creating I'm gonna do. I mean, literally when we were looking at the RV, my husband was like, you're gonna be able to use your little maker machine to, you know, make some labels for us and make some decor. Yes, my husband said that. He got brownie points for that for sure. I am so excited. And I'm gonna go shopping today. I think I'm gonna take you guys with me and go to Joann and maybe Michael's and pick up some materials. I am on a hunt for teal. I have decided that that is the accent color I want to go with. Our RV is gray and white on the interior, and I think me being the only female with all boys in the family to have a nice, instead of like a bright pink color or purple, I'm gonna do a nice teal accent. I think it's gonna be beautiful. Please drop in the comments if you guys have camping or RV or travel trailer experience. If you guys love it, hate it, what your thoughts are. As far as like the actual travel trailer, I'm gonna have a separate channel that I'm gonna do reviews on. So if anybody joined my channel to watch book reviews and whatnot, I think I'm just gonna put everything, all reviews, whether it's a dining review, a book review, a travel trailer review, a vacation experience review. I'm gonna put all that on the review channel and kind of separate that from this more crafting and creating channel. And so stay tuned. I'll let you know when I do more with that. But everyone that's here now, give me some suggestions on some crafts and things that I can do to create, to decorate for my travel trailer. I cannot wait. All right, let's go shopping. Here we are, ready to shop. Okay, I'm here at Michael's, ready to go shopping. I made this mask with fabric from Joann though. Okay, I picked out 4 t-shirts to make some custom camper design. Boy, our Michael's is like not big on a selection for Cricut supplies. Just one little section, not a whole lot. Let's see. Oh boy. We got turquoise and mint. I don't know what I need. Ooh, look at these. Oh, these are removable mat. So is that. I need more of like an iron-on. These are just vinyl. Let's see. Oh, we've got some pretty infusible inks. Look at those colors. I might be able to do something with this. These are pretty. Okay, I'm gonna sift through this stuff and look. Ooh, look at that sizer. Ooh, and it's an aqua turquoise. Gosh, I don't know what color I want to go with. Oh, I'm usually so decisive. This is not easy. All right, I'm gonna look through all this. So a nice lady who's a brand new Cricut owner just told me that Joann's is having a 60% off sale on Cricut materials, so we are headed over there next. I'm gonna get the sampler from Michael's just in case they don't have it over at Joann's. Let's keep shopping. Okay, Here we are at Joann's, ready to shop. Let's go do it. Okay, here I am at Joann. Look at, they're having a sale. Got all their fall stuff out. Check it out. I am gonna go head up the aisles. Ooh, I like those colors, aren't they pretty? Alright, here's some smart material. I even noticed this is a glitter. I don't know if you can tell. Just this permanent vinyl. Interesting. And we've got smart iron on the other side. Oh, they kind of have Cricut materials scattered all over at Joann's, but they have a much larger selection than my Michaels. And then all down this aisle. So I'm gonna go peruse what they have. And I'm telling you, the second we get rid of this raspberry being their main color for the heat presses, I am gonna get a new one. I'm hoping for a lavender or like a gold, vanilla gold kind of color. Okay. Ooh, look at that bright teal. Oh my goodness. I've got to narrow it down. Alright, I'm gonna go look at all of this. Oh my gosh, they have an entire bin. What is going on here? I wonder if this is gonna go into clearance. I'm gonna have to move that out of my way to look at everything. Oh, here we have some more pretty premium vinyl teal tropical sampler. Oh boy, mint turquoise. Definitely think I'm leaning more towards the teal. Buy 3, get 3 free. Okay, happy shopping. So I think the 60% off sale on the Cricut stuff was pretty much picked through, so I am now looking at signs to create a custom little plaque or some kind of sign to hang up in our new camper. Lots of sale stuff. I'm gonna look at it, check it out, see if I find anything. Okay, so I'm back from my shopping adventure. Unfortunately, I feel like what I was looking for I didn't really find, but I'm gonna show you what I did get and what I plan on making. So I picked up these gray shirts. I'm gonna make a custom shirt for us with a camping theme, and then I'm gonna use that wood sign that I got at Joann's, and I'm gonna make a camping little theme sign. And then I got that tumbler at Joann's, and I'm also gonna make myself a little camping themed gift myself to celebrate this new camping journey experience with our travel trailer. And I picked up this little sampler pack of permanent premium vinyl, and I think I'm gonna probably use this teal color to create that sign and my cup. Maybe a couple other colors on the cup with some white or something like that. And then I really needed some new transfer tape, so I grabbed that. So I will show you what I did once I create everything. Okay, so I'm gonna use this wooden sign. Whoops, that was the back of it. I'm gonna use this wooden sign that I picked up today. I opened my sampler pack, and I'm going to use this teal color. I'll go ahead and throw it into my Maker 3. I've already got it ready. I'm going to click continue. I'm going to make a sign and a little vinyl decal to stick on this tumbler here. Okay, so I selected premium glossy permanent vinyl. I'm using my Cricut Maker 3, but I'm using my mat. I just wanted to pop into Cricut Design Space and show you the names of the images I use. So this one here that I put on the tumbler is Camping Queen, and then the image for the sign that I created is Retro Camper. And like I said, I'm planning on putting a name for my camper, but you could also cut out an image that'll fit in this size in here, and maybe put your name, your last name or your family name or whatever you choose. Hope this is helpful. Okay, so I'm gonna do my weeding right on the mat. Okay, I'm done weeding. I took my True Control knife and I cut off the excess, and I actually cut here so that's separate, and I made sure not to press too hard with the True Control knife so I didn't cut my mat at all. And I just left this on here, made the weeding super simple and easy. So that's definitely a tip this time to like help everyone out. And then I also cut my transfer tape. So I've got that ready, should be about the right size that I need. I'm just gonna throw it on top of both images. To make this super easy to get off onto the transfer tape, you wanna take it off of the mat and then just kind of lay it face down and roll it a little bit at an angle. And if it starts to stick up, just push it back down. Like my window is starting to try to come off the door there. I just laid it back down. Just keep pressing and rolling. This has a lot of details with the pine trees and little stars in the sky, and it is working fantastic. It's just rolling right off. Just gonna roll back a little bit, press down, and then my star pops right back on there, and it's all good. Okay, should be all ready. I just want to check over and make sure I didn't miss anything. Okay, cleared off my space. I cleared off my ergonomic board, and I'm gonna do the sign first. I made sure that I weeded every little detail. Hopefully I did not miss anything. And I'm just gonna eyeball it on here. Okay, and I'm just burnishing. And then taking the transfer tape off is very similar to trying to remove the backing from the image to make sure that it's sticking to the transfer tape. You want to do the same kind of system of taking your time, making sure everything's sticking properly. How about that? I think eventually we're gonna name our camper. Do you guys name your campers? If you do, please drop in the comments below. Tell me some of the names that you've come up with, some creative, cute ones. So here's the sign that we're gonna have adhered and fixed to our new camper. I'm so excited. Okay, I'm gonna set that aside for now. Okay, so I actually have been working on family reunion decor and all kinds of stuff that I haven't been doing videos on. And I made a cup with vinyl, and it was really bubbly. So I'm gonna try something different today. And I'm actually gonna adhere this wet and just see what happens, see if it's helpful at all. So first I'm gonna clean the tumbler on the area that I'm going to do a sideways image. So I'm gonna put this like that on here. It says Camping Queen. But what I'm gonna do is I'm actually gonna wet this and leave it wet. So I believe in theory with doing the wet is that it's not allowing, it's giving like a little, almost like air bubbles, but water underneath or moisture underneath, because I used rubbing alcohol, and it's giving a little bit of space underneath when you're applying the vinyl so that it's not, there's like a little buffer for there to still be a way for you to work some of those bubbles out, because otherwise it just like snaps down, really adheres on there, and then there's no room or way for you to really release those bubbles. I've seen many videos making all sorts of suggestions. Honestly, what I ended up having to do is using a very, very fine, tiny sewing needle and just poking the holes out, and just very little tiny poking them. I even sat it out in the sunshine. I did all the tricks, and unfortunately I had to do some poking of the tumbler that I did yesterday. So this seems to be being a little bit hopeful. I'm thinking I can actually hear the bubbles like working out where I had a nice barrier of moisture of that rubbing alcohol. I think that I would actually use, I was a little like leery of trying this because I did not want to ruin or not have this adhere at all. But I think that it's helping. I think that it did help to have that little moisture barrier underneath. It's kind of counterintuitive. You wouldn't think something that you're sticking, normally if you're gonna stick a sticker to something, you're not gonna put water or moisture on it first, but the vinyl seems to be sticking just fine, and the moisture barrier is helping me work out some of these air bubbles. So this is for myself. I'm not like as worried about it, so I just might like do some little pokes if I have to. There's a little excess piece of vinyl right there. But other than that, here is my Camping Queen. I think it should actually say Glamping Queen. Maybe I'll make one of those one of these days too. So I've got my Camping Queen and our new little sign. You guys helped me come up with a name for my camper. I want to at least hear some of yours. Thank you so much for joining me for my shopping experience, and I hope you feel my excitement for my travel trailer that we have on the way, and I just can't wait for all the adventures to come and all of the creative things that I'm gonna make to just like put some design and decor touches all over the little travel trailer camper. Thank you for joining me. Make sure that if you found some benefit, you hit the like button. It really helps my channel. And if you want to continue to follow me for future crafting tutorials, make sure that you click the subscribe button. I love to have you part of my crafting and creating family. Thanks, and have a great rest of your day.